This time he's actually excited to show his face.
I'm ready.
Headed on to PALOLEM Beach. How deep is your love? We are very close to it, trust me. Another vlog, another day, and today we are going to... Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in the series of showing you Goa, we are going to PALOLEM Beach. Now this is one of the more famous beaches of Goa. If you have been to South Goa, you've definitely heard of PALOLEM Beach. If you haven't, well, today I'm going to show you guys what PALOLEM Beach has to offer. I'm going to get ready quickly and we will see you once I'm either on the scooty or in the car, whatever it is. Let's see. Also, I had to quickly update you guys about last time in my last vlog. We had Prasad, and today also we have Prasad in the vlog, but this time he's actually excited to show his face. So in the previous video he was very camera conscious and camera shy, but after seeing the vlog he was like, you know what, I want to be in your next vlog. And I was like, you know what, we are gonna make a special guest appearance. So hopefully today he'll be a little more confident about the whole vlogging situation, and we will see where this takes us.
I'm ready to be on the vlog.
Once you wear your shades and everything, will make like a dramatic exit of you like walking outside. That's gonna be your intro. I'll put your name down. So we currently stopped at this place called the Daily Roast. As you can see, we stopped for breakfast at like 2 p.m. but it's actually very late, so we didn't have breakfast. We just had like couple of drinks, and now we're going to be headed on to PALOLEM Beach. So we finally made it to PALOLEM Beach on the way, but we're going to have lunch first because we haven't eaten anything since morning. So as soon as we're done with that, we will get going. How deep is your love?
It's like a hunter.
It's like the ocean.
It's like the ocean.
What devotion
Are you?
How deep is your love?
Okay, put that song here. So edit,
Edit. Stop at this place called Baba's Little Italy, and we're gonna have lunch after a whole day. Finally, food in our tum-tums. See you guys in some time. I will show you guys PALOLEM. We are very close to it, trust me. Just that we need to eat. So see you guys. Finally reached PALOLEM Beach, Goa, which is in South Goa. Not a pretty empty place for someone who's looking for an emptier beach, but if you are looking for a very good tourist destination that many people know about, this is the place to be. It's beautiful, big, and we are getting to see the sunset finally. So, woohoo! Okay, cool. If you guys want to enjoy PALOLEM Beach, it is. I'll show you guys a little bit of a montage. Let's go. this was such a fun day at Palolem Beach. I have a beer with me, chilling by the beach. My friends are in the water, so I thought I'd sign off with this vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of Palolem. Definitely recommend 100%. They have these hidden places in the beach itself, like this small little lagoon with the beach there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make that red button not red anymore. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. See you guys. Take care. Bye.